sinasabi natin na ayaw po ng Pangulo Duterte na may impeach si Leni Robredo. Panoorin po ninyo.
Sir, may nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basihan po para may impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, we just had an election. Guys, Leo, let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because it keeps on harping on me? Yeah, but this is a democracy. It's freedom of speech. Wala naman, there is no or there are no overt acts